one of our American friends came, American-bodied, and we took him on a second-class 3-tier to Kolkata to go to Mayapur, some of us. And the fan wasn't working. Indian Railways. And as the fan wasn't working, this guy was getting restless. It's cold, it's hot, it's hot. I said, welcome to Indian Railways. It's hot, he's shouting. So then the fan wasn't starting. So one guy, like a regular man, he asks me, "Aapke paas kangi hai kya?" I said, how do I have a kangi? India is what it is, how do I have a comb? So then this guy turns to another, like a normal man, and he asked for a comb. Got the comb, stood up on the seat, and started pushing the fan, you know. And the fan started. Dhakka start. This American man was amused. He said, how did it start? I said, electrostatic energy. To revolve around my expectation. One boy comes to a mother and says, Mama, I love you. 5-year-old, 5 saal ka bachcha. Mama, I love you. Mother said, I love you too, beta. The guy grew up to be 16. Goes to the mother, Mama, I love you. Kitna paisa chahiye bol? He grows up to be 25. Mama, I love you. कौन है? किधर रहती है? बता दो. हम arrange कर देंगे, बता दे. He turns to be 40. Mama, I love you. बोला था ना शादी मत कर उससे. He turns 60. 60. Mama, I love you. मैं किसी भी पेपर पे साइन नहीं करूंगी, तू जा. माँ है ना, जानती है. उसने एक लड़के से पूछा, बेटा in which battle did Tipu Sultan die? The guy said in his last battle. Idiot. उसको पूछा, where it was the Declaration of Independence side? At the bottom of the page. When was Gandhiji born? On his birthday. In which state does Ganga flow? Liquid state. You know, if you have 6 mangoes and you have to distribute among 20 people, how will you do it? I'll make mango milkshake. और सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा जगह बोल रहा है. और लास्ट पूछा, ज्योग्राफी टीचर ने पूछा, बताओ बेटा, भारत में सबसे ज्यादा बर्फ किधर करती है? बोलता है दारू के ग्लास में गिरती है सबसे ज्यादा. One fully drunk man, now because the example is that I'm telling you all this. He was passing by a temple. So he asks the pujari, इस दुनिया में सबसे कौन बड़ा? तो the pujari said, मंदिर बड़ा. So this drunk fellow says, मंदिर बड़ा तो धरती पे क्यों खड़ा? पुजारी said, ठीक है, धरती बड़ी. धरती बड़ी तो शेषनाग पे कैसे पड़ी? पुजारी said, मेरे भाई, शेषनाग बड़ा. शेषनाग बड़ा तो शिवजी के गले में कैसे पड़ा? Now the pujari was getting really upset. ठीक है मेरे भाई, शिवजी बड़े, तो शिवजी बड़े तो कैलाश पे कैसे खड़े? Now this pujari was getting restless. मेरे बाप, ठीक है कैलाश बड़ा. सर कैलाश बड़ा तो हनुमान की उंगली पे कैसे पड़ा? संजीवनी लाने गए ना. So now the pujari was totally upset. He said, मेरे भाई तू बोल कौन बड़ा इस संसार? He said, इस संसार में तो वो बड़ा जो पूरी बोतल पी के भी 2 टांग पे खड़ा. One guy failed his exam, came home. Father is asking, बेटा क्या हुआ रिजल्ट का? बोला प्रोफेसर का बेटा फेल हो गया. बोला यू नॉट, आई एम आस्किंग यू. सुनने, एक डॉक्टर का हम बेटा है ना हमारे लिए, वो भी फेल हो गया. इडियट, आई एम आस्किंग यू व्हाट हैपेंड टू योर रिजल्ट्स? लॉयर का बेटा भी फेल हो गया. नाउ फादर गेव अ टाइट स्लैप, व्हाट अबाउट यू मैन? ही सेड, डॉक्टर का बेटा फेल हो गया, प्रोफेसर का बेटा फेल हो गया, लॉयर का बेटा फेल हो गया. आपका एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन है, आपका बेटा पास हो गया. My goodness, you can imagine these guys. You know, you have these 3 guys who were talking to each other, 3 boys, school boys. One guy said, my father is so great. He's an archer. Such a great man. He shoots the arrow and before the arrow reaches, he reaches there. मेरे पिताजी ऐसे. The second guy said, तेरे पिताजी. My father is a gun shooter. Faster than the arrow speed the bullet goes. Before bullet reaches, he goes. And he's not Rajnikant. It reaches there. The third guy said, what are you talking? Your father is an archer. He reaches before the arrow. Your father is a shooter. Reaches before the bullet. My father is greater than both of your father. He's a government servant. You know, his office ends at 5. He reaches home at 2.